So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your basic architectural sketches, something like this on the left, and turn them into something that looks like this on the right. A photorealistic rendering, and it's quick, it's easy, and best of all, it's free. It's the best software that I have found so far, and this is it right here. It's Visoid.com. I did all the hard work so that you don't have to. I tried a whole bunch of these. This is the best version that I could find personally. I'll link to it down below, and it captured all the details. It got the house number right, it got the cladding and everything, the green roof, and it did this, so quickly, so easily. And again, it was for free. We're going to do one right now, and I'll show you how easy this is. So you go to Visoid.com, and we'll hop over there right now. You can see I've preloaded my image. This one right here, it's like a stone farmhouse, something kind of traditional, and I've also pre-done my prompt over here. It does help out, and it's really good at that. So when you put an image in here, instead of saying improve prompt, the first thing it'll say is generate prompt, and it'll kind of fill this out for you, and you tweak it. So that's what we've done. And here we have a traditional stone farmhouse structure composed of two connected gabled volumes with standing seam metal roofs. The stone cladding is used on all the walls and is composed of large, irregularly cut stones. The exterior includes multiple arched windows with square mullions, covered porches with vertical wooden railings, and exterior steps leading to the entrances. The building is situated on grassy farmland, surrounded by mature trees and rolling hills under bright sunlight and clear sky in the summer. And then once you've done all that, I'm just going to hit generate, and you'll see how fast this is. I'll sort of talk over this in the meantime, as it takes a couple seconds, but if you want a more in-depth look at this, I have a longer video. I'll probably link it up here right about now. That really goes into depth, and we do a handful of these in a row, and you kind of work at the prompts and see what it does and doesn't do, and how you can tweak things after it pumps out an image, and so on and so forth. So again, I'll link that below and maybe above there somewhere if you want to see a more in-depth version. And already look at that. Look at how fast that was, and how accurate it was compared to the original image. Just going back to the original sketch, it's fairly basic. It's nothing too crazy. And then the rendering, and that was like 10 seconds, not even 5 seconds. It captured everything perfectly. It filled in some of the railings here that weren't in the sketch. This actually, I was a little concerned it might try and make this into a front door, but it got it right and turned that into a little bit of a storage compartment there on the side of the house. Got the cladding really nicely done with the irregular stone, nailed the roof, so pretty impressive. If you're an architecture student, or you're an architect yourself, or you just like playing around and want to have some renderings and fill out a portfolio of your own projects, then this is a great tool. So again, you go to Visoid. Over here, you pump your image in, and it will pump this image out, and it's crazy. Again, this is free. So up here shows your credits. Right now, that took me 3 credits. I have 7 left, and these replenish every few weeks. So as long as you're not in a rush, you can just, you can be constantly pumping out free renderings that look pretty incredible. So kudos to the software program and the folks at Visoid. I'm not affiliated in any way, but certainly like their product, and we'll be using it, definitely again in the future. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if you want to see the longer, sort of more in-depth tutorial, we'll run through a handful of these and maybe a couple issues that do pop up. It's not perfect, but anyway, I'll link to that down below as well. So if you want the longer tutorial, you can watch that. And until next time, we'll wrap it up there. So thanks for watching, and best of luck with your renderings. Cheers.